Welcome friends. Today, we will play Would You Rather? Snacks and Junk Food Edition. Let's make your mouth watering. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more fun videos like this. Let's go. Would you rather eat a pizza or a burger? Would you rather go to McDonald's or KFC? Would you rather eat Pringles or Doritos? Would you rather eat a hot dog or a taco? Would you rather drink Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Eat a snow cone or a soft serve ice cream? Would you rather eat a donut or a brownie? Would you rather go to Burger King or Popeyes? Would you rather eat a quesadilla or a burrito? Eat a Kit Kat or a Twix? Would you rather eat popcorn or chips? Would you rather drink some Sprite or a Fanta? Would you rather eat M&Ms or Skittles? Would you rather go to Domino's or Pizza Hut? Eat chicken wings or chicken nuggets? Would you rather eat pancakes or waffles? Would you rather drink a milkshake or a smoothie? Would you rather eat hot tacos or hot Cheetos? Eat a sandwich or a croissant? Would you rather go to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? Would you rather eat Oreo or Chips Ahoy? Eat mozzarella sticks or onion rings? Would you rather drink Red Bull or Monster Energy? Would you rather eat gummy bears or jelly beans? Would you rather eat cinnamon rolls or macarons? Would you rather go to Wendy's or Five Guys? Would you rather eat curly fries or French fries? Eat a cupcake or a muffin? Would you rather eat Mars or Snickers? Would you rather eat Cheetos Puffs or cheese balls? Eat noodles or pasta? Would you rather eat mac and cheese or eat margarita pizza? Would you rather eat sushi or pad thai? Eat pancakes or crepes? Would you rather go to Taco Bell or Chipotle? Comment your favorite food. For more fun, click on this videos. And like, share, subscribe for more fun videos like this.